See, we could go this way and they could run that way.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Straight past it.
Yeah.
You think about it, we could go there, go
yeah.
straight past the cameraman.
Yeah.
Like we flush them into the camera basically.
Yeah.
So we go this way, go down that way. Yeah, no. Flush it.
Yowies.
Something's moving.
Yeah, I heard that.
Keep her quiet.
Over there. That way. Yeah. Yeah. And it's stopping when we're stopping.
Can you hold that thing?
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You put it right on there. Just leave it on there.
Let's show viewers a.
Beautiful. Cool.
Sweet as.
All done.
Well done, man.
Tabra.
Alright, man. Let's go. Hi viewers, we just got our spy cam from the tree, what you just saw. We're going to head off. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of activity, but not much. But we're going to head off and see what else we can get on the way back. And yeah, and if we don't, I hope you enjoyed this documentary. And
I smelled smoke ages ago.
oh yeah,
When we first started that, they would have smelled that from kilometres and kilometres away,
Yeah.
miles away.
what'd you find?
Footprint. Over. In the muddy. See that?
Oh yeah,
Right foot.
that's pretty big, eh?
Right viewers, on the way back through the forest here, look what we found here. I just found a right footprint. Here's the hill there, you can see quite clearly. It's breast down there, up here, and in here. Where it's a bit squatchy and muddy sort of area, it's pushed it in there. Over here you don't see any prints simply because of the plants. It's not as muddy as this spot. That's why it's a perfect print.
That is awesome.
Big one too.
Oh yeah, it's massive. Just move these. Yeah. Where is it? Right there. Definitely being followed, man. When I was taking photos, man, when you walked off, man, I can hear something snapping. Yeah, back over here. That's freaky. Very freaky.
Here's something walking through the crops, man. Yowies.
Yeah, I think this is just another arch, or you reckon it's just...
No, we've seen this one earlier when we come down, I'm sure. Could be an arch. Let's have a look.
Have a look.
It's bent over. Because that's been bent over on
Yeah,
the weight. It's been bent.
looks like it, eh? Whoop. Yep, yep. Look, you right?
Yeah, mate.
Watch yourself, brother. Yeah, you nearly slipped over. Ow.
How far did we walk in it?
You must have walked
We
pretty
always
far.
say that. Hey?
You must have walked pretty far.
He's attractive.
Oh yeah.
So,
Awesome, we done it. Well done, brother.
yeah, I think we come out the same. No joke. We basically come out the same area we walked in.
Oh, we did too.
Because look. There you go.
Yep.
The entrance.
Oh yeah.
Not entrance. But you know, like when we said, oh look, we go down there.
Yeah.
And we said we'll walk off at an angle. We went in there.
That's awesome, man.